Welcome back to Ghost Gear Garage. Today, we're uncovering one of America's rarest and most elegant classic convertibles, the 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta. Produced for just 1 year in extremely limited numbers, the Fiesta is a hidden gem that many classic car enthusiasts have never seen in person. The Oldsmobile Fiesta was introduced in 1953 to celebrate Oldsmobile's 50th anniversary. It was one of General Motors' exclusive limited production convertibles, sharing its prestige with the Buick Skylark and Cadillac Eldorado. While those models often steal the spotlight, the Fiesta deserves just as much recognition for its style, luxury, and innovation. At first glance, the Fiesta stands out with its low, wide stance and beautiful chrome trim. It featured a distinctive wraparound windshield, smooth body lines, and a bold front grille that gave it a sophisticated yet sporty appearance. Every angle of the car reflected the optimism and excitement of 1950s American automotive design. One of the most eye-catching features was its special chrome side trim, polished wire wheels, and luxurious interior. Buyers could choose from premium leather upholstery and a wide selection of vibrant exterior colors. The dashboard was elegantly designed with easy-to-read gauges and high-quality materials, making every drive feel special. Under the hood, the 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta was powered by Oldsmobile's famous 303 cubic-inch rocket V8 engine. This engine produced around 170 horsepower, an impressive figure for its time. The rocket V8 had already earned a reputation for reliability and strong performance, helping Oldsmobile become one of the most respected American manufacturers of the early 1950s. Power was delivered through the smooth Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, one of the world's first successful automatic gearboxes. This combination gave the Fiesta effortless acceleration and comfortable cruising, making it ideal for long highway drives across America. Performance wasn't the only reason people admired this car. The Fiesta also represented luxury and exclusivity. Only 458 examples were built, making it significantly rarer than many other classic American convertibles. Because of its limited production, surviving cars are highly sought after by collectors today, often commanding impressive prices at prestigious collector auctions. The Fiesta also introduced styling ideas that influenced future Oldsmobile models. Its wraparound windshield, premium trim, and upscale features demonstrated what American luxury cars would become throughout the 1950s. It perfectly captured the era's spirit of innovation, elegance, and confidence. Today, finding a well-preserved 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta is incredibly difficult. Most examples spend their lives in private collections or appear only at major classic car events. Whenever one does appear on the road, it immediately attracts attention from enthusiasts who recognize just how rare this automobile truly is. The 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta wasn't just another convertible. It was a celebration of American engineering, luxury, and style. It remains one of the finest examples of Oldsmobile's golden era, and a reminder that some of history's greatest cars are also its rarest. Thank you for watching Ghost Gear Garage. If you enjoy discovering forgotten classic cars like the Oldsmobile Fiesta, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another automotive legend. See you in the next video.